The topic of today's video is how to connect Polar Watch to Strava. So your Polar Watch will be connected to Polar Flow, of course. So all we need to do is connect Strava to Polar Flow. However, you can't use the app, so you're going to have to use the website. So I'm going to do it on my desktop. What you want to do is go to where it shows your name. There's a little drop down arrow and click on that. Then you'll see settings. Click on that. You want to go to partners. And in here, you'll see Strava and click on connect and then click on connect with Strava. You're going to read through this and then press OK to agree. Then it's going to take you to Strava's website and you'll need to sign in. And once you're signed in, all you need to do is click on authorize. And now you'll see we are connected. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.